Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Well, today we are going to be implementing the more screen. Uh, it's this screen, we can make logout and we can enter the edit profile. I don't know if we will finish the app today or not, but probably we will do this screen and leave the edit profile screen to the next video. Anyway, let's start coding, but before we start working on our more screen, we need to fix a little issue. Like you can see in our inbox here, we got the inbox title. If we go to our inbox in our app, we forgot to implement the title for inbox, and same thing also for trips. So let's fix this issue. Let's go to inbox view. Let's make a dot navigation title of inbox and dot navigation title, I think display mode, this one, yes, dot inline. Okay, nice. We will do the same thing for trips view, so we will go here. Let's make dot navigation title, it will be trips, and dot navigation title display mode, yes, it will be dot inline. Okay, really nice. Now we will go to implement our our more screen. So let's go to our more folder and create a new file. It will be a SwiftUI view. Let's call it more view. Okay, very nice. Here we will have a navigation stack, and inside the navigation stack we will have a scroll view. We will give it a no indicator, which is I think scroll indicator, yes, visibility dot hidden. And inside our scroll view you can see clearly we will have a V stack. So let's start with a V stack with an alignment of dot leading, and inside this V stack we will have clearly an A stack. So make A stack with a spacing of 15. Let's give it, and let's start with our image. It will be Michael Scott, and again it's a little bit funny. The image we are getting it from our asset folder. It's this one, but again it was a mistake. I should put the image of Michael Scott. I put the image of Elizabeth Olsen, but anyway, to be honest, I was a little bit lazy to fix it. So anyway, let's make it resizable. Let's make the frame with width and height of 60 for both, and let's give it a clip shape of circle. Okay, really nice. Now after this we will have a V stack, like you can see. So let's have a V stack with an alignment of dot leading, and here we will have start with a text that is Wanda Maximov. Okay, Wanda Maximov. We will give it a font of dot headline and the font weight of dot semi-bold, and after that we will have I think what's second one, yes, view and edit profile. So we will have a text, a view and edit profile, and it will have a foreground style of dot blue. think it's beautiful. Our V stack, I think after that we will have a spacer, and I will give our A stack a padding, so we will have dot padding. Okay, beautiful. Something I forgot is also, like you can see, we always have this background of a gray 6 or system gray 6. So let's apply our background color. So let's make dot background with color of dot system gray 6. Okay, beautiful. After the padding, we will have a divider, and hopefully it's working fine inside our VStack. Yes, beautiful. I think our VStack, I want to extract this subview, and I will call it header view. I will rename it and call it header view. Okay, beautiful. I will make it inside a button, and the reason why I'm making it inside a button, because as you can see, when I click on it, I display this view, so it needs to be a button. We could of course add a gesture recognizer or something like that, but to be honest, I think a button is easier, especially if you are a beginner. And okay. Okay, beautiful. I think after the button, oh, I made a mistake, I think. Yes, I think I made a big mistake also, not just a mistake. Yes, I made a mistake. Okay. Okay, I won't take the whole V stack, I will just take this one. I think the A stack is enough. Okay, or you know what? Let's take the whole V stack anyway. It's no problem. Okay, let's extract subview, and we will call it header view. Factor rename, let's call it header view. Okay, and place it inside the button as an action and a label, and for action now it will be empty, we don't need it now, and for header view it will be header view. Okay, and our button, I will embed it inside a VStack, and this VStack will have an alignment, not an alignment of dot leading. Okay, hopefully that's what I need. After that, I will have a VStack with a spacing of 60. Okay, let me check why it's not showing. Let's build to see if it's building or if we got an error. To be honest, I don't see why we will have an error now. It looks okay, it looks fine. Let's refresh the preview. Okay, beautiful. We need to give it a foreground style of black, because you can see it's black. Putting it inside a button, make it blue. So here, to want the maximum of the text, let's give it a foreground style of dot black. Okay, thank God, it looks beautiful. Now here we will need this one, and for this one we will go to our view model. So let's go to our view model. We will create an array of tablets. So what I'm talking about is add published var, and I will call it parameters option. It will be an array of tablets of type string and image. Okay, and we will start now. Okay, the first tablet will be, I think, let me check, it will be account, yes, account, and an image with a system name of person. Okay, the second one, let's copy and paste these tablets 4 times, so we have 5, 3, 4, and 5. The second one will be how car rental apps work, so let's write how car rental app works. It will be key dot horizontal, I think. Let me check. Yes, key dot horizontal, the system name. Okay, the third one will be contact support. Contact support, and the image name, let me check it. It will be person.wave.to, so let's write it person.wave.to. The fourth one will be legal, so let's go here, let's write legal, and I think it's newspaper, just to check that it's the right one. Yes, newspaper, it will be for both of these, legal, and for the last one, I think it's called open source license, so let's write it, source license. Okay, now we will call our view model inside more views, so let's make id state object private var view model of type explore view model with an init of view model, and f.viewModel state object of wrapped value of view model, and we will call in, we got the missing argument, it will be view model, or we will call, I'm sorry, explore view model. Yes, hopefully everything will be working fine now. Now we will call our parameter option that our array of tablets that we just created inside our explore view model. I'm talking about this one. So let me show you how we will do it. We will make for each, it will be view model dot parameter option, and we will have id slice dot 0, and here I will call option, I'm sorry, mistake, option, not optional, yes, option, and here we will call it, the first one is already an image, like you can see, explore view model, in our array of tablet we said image, so we just write $1, we will make it resizable. Oh, I'm sorry, option, I meant, so we will call option dot 1, and it will be option in, I'm sorry, I forgot the in here. Okay, and now it will be dot option dot 1 dot resizable, and we will give it a frame with width of 25 and height of 25 too, so beautiful, like you can see. The second one, as you can see inside our view model, it's a string, so we will call it text. First we will need to place it inside an a stack, so a stack option.1, and the second one, because like I show you, it is a string, so we will call text, and inside of the string, so it will be text option.0. Okay, beautiful. I think the one thing missing probably is a spacer. Okay, beautiful. And we will give our vstack a padding of dot horizontal. Probably not the best idea, this one. I think let's try a padding. Okay, I think it's better, it's more beautiful this way with a dot padding. Okay, or I think you know what, I will give it this way. I will give it to the a stack padding, that will be dot horizontal, and for the v stack I will just give it, or no, let's make it this way, dot padding to the a stack, because not the way I want it. I think it's too much this way. Okay, let's give it for now to the v stack, and then I will check. Okay, after that we got the padding. Okay, the padding should be inside the v stack, so after the for each I will have a divider. Okay, and after the divider I will have this button, the logout button, so it will be a button with action and label, and the label will be text logout. Okay, and I will give it a foreground style of dot black. Okay, and now we will have to create, as you can see in the complete app, when I click on it, I got this, so it will be just okay. I see the divider got a padding. It should not have a padding, so I will make this way, dot padding dot vertical for the entire v stack, and here I will give it dot padding of dot horizontal. Okay, I think it looks a lot better. And my button, it will be inside, I will embed it inside a v stack. I will give it an alignment of dot leading, and I will give it a spacing of, let's say, 30. Okay, after my button I will have this text of version, so let's have it. It will be text version 1.0. It will have a font of dot caption and a foreground style of dot gray. Okay, beautiful, I think. Okay, inside my v stack I need something is wrong. I don't know why. For some reason my button is not where it should be, but there are a number of ways to handle this. I will my vstack will give it a frame with max width, give it dot infinity. Okay, still doesn't solve the problem. I don't know why it's not solving the problem. Let me check. Okay, alignment.leading button. Okay, let's create a new stack and just inside this vstack I will have a spacer. Okay, it solved the problem. To be honest, I was surprised why it wasn't pushed to the left before. Okay, but anyway, dot padding dot horizontal for this vstack too. Okay, the next thing is when we click on this button, I should see this alert. So we already made no, we didn't make the state. So at state private var show alert or show logout alert. It's better name. Logout alert. It will be a boolean, and by default it will be false. Okay, and here I will add dot alert. I will give it what is the message. Are you sure you want to log out? So are you sure you want to log out is presented. It will be dollar show logout alert, and inside it we will have button. I will call it cancel with the role of dot cancel, and another one I will call it button logout and with an empty action. Okay, they ask me for the action. Okay, let's give it an empty one. Now hopefully everything should be working. If I click on logout, okay, I didn't make the toggle in the action. So here we go inside the action, we call show logout alert, and we make a dot toggle. So now if I click on logout, he displays this message, are you sure you want to log out? Okay, beautiful. Let's go to our main tab bar view, and here we will call our more view with a view model that is view model. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay, it's working beautiful. The next step is to have this one display the full screen. This one we will do it in the next video. So for me now the video comes to the end. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe, please like this video, it helps a lot, and like always, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.